Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's raining outside and typical Jamaicans, when it's raining, it's a time to cook. But rain always call for curry chicken back and cornmeal dumpling. Me not have no curry chicken back today. Bam! No know about that, right? Satlfish. So I go up on the road yesterday. Look at that. We get breadfruit. The banana, me have saltfish, me have dumpling, yellow yam, one little cocoa, that a chocho, and then that a pumpkin. Wait, hold on. Me soon come, because the pot a boil up, me go put in some flour. Okay, I am back. Current situation of my pot. Now I'm going to hold everything. Me not bother put in a little piece of cocoa or badu, whatever that is. Me not eat it anyways. Me not like it, so. And I don't think I'm going to use all the pumpkins. Now see this? Don't watch the paper towel. Focus on that. And I didn't use all of the breadfruit. I'm not that greedy. I think I went overboard. Too much flour. Flour in the flour. So, yep. Now, hold on. What's that fish bone? Take it out. I don't know how you guys prepare codfish, sawfish. But I come from a family that suffers from hypertension. We still love saltfish. How my mom teaches me, you could either scale it before or after cooking, but then you let it sit in a container of vinegar water for a while, and that takes out whatever salt is left. Of course, at some point between here and over there, so let's see my colorful. Yes, I love colors. Yeah, the saltfish I go diminish in quantity. And I dash way down the drain. If you're a Jamaican, then you know. I'm not going to tell you because, let me just add. I post pictures and people are wondering because I do writing. My pictures and my videos, everything is an opportunity to write. And of course, the teacher in me is going to let you know everything is a teachable moment. So at this particular point in time, I am cooking. I'll cover it all the way. I don't want it boil over. And, hold on, let me turn on this simultaneously. Yeah, I am cooking dinner, but I can also use this to teach main ideas and details. I can use it to teach sequence of events. I could have my students write a recipe. A lot can be done. We could talk about where we grow or where we get our foods, the process entailed in reaping or growing or prepping foods. I like to use the VAKT approach. V for visual. Of course, I'm going to see how that pretty. Look at that. It's pretty. The A can be auditory. It can be artistic. We can draw. We can take pictures. K, bodily kinesthetic. Look here. We can write a song. We can write a poem. We can act that out. We can dance. Somebody must have a food song out there. And then the T, it's all tactile, you know. This is how we make connections. Hold on, the people. So come back over here so now to that piece of bone here. If you are real Jamaicans, you don't know enough fight popping in the kitchen for that piece of bone there. And if you don't know, you don't move around Jamaicans long enough and people really need talk to you. Let's skim off this. The bone is one of the juiciest parts of the saltfish. And every Jamaican child want that in a them plate. Now, when we're cooking, see the bananas, I have them in the skin. I don't normally do that. I like to peel my bananas. Some people do it to get all the minerals that's on the inside. We don't want to lose anything. I like to peel my bananas. But Jamaicans in general, when we cook bananas, we add oil, just a little touch to the pot. Jaja God, me still a rhyme. Yeah, because we don't want nothing get black. The skin can be black, but we don't want the black bananas. We don't eat black bananas. And then too, we normally add a bit of the skin, and that takes away a lot of stuff. I mean, like these. Once these kind of cook, like, or maybe now we can add. Hold on. Space small, but outside of that, I don't like messes, guys. I'm OCD, so I don't like a messy environment. So, this is just my pumpkin young. Probably true. Only I put in 3. And then turn down the stove side and boil over. And then this other 2 pieces I go put back. Then over here, so. God. Hey, who's the Rasta colors? Wax cover. Sandra. Sizzle, stir. You know, this is nice. And people, Jamaicans, we use powder seasoning, but we like the all natural stuff still. So, make this a go on. Saute the me tell myself coconut oil may have been love me our organic coconut oil. Yeah, me a island girl, country girl. Alright. Make this simmer down a little bit. And me go clean up over that side and come back. See? People, it's hot. My kitchen is extra small, so it's hot here. Yeah, so me clean up. Me not really like. I'm the kind of person who cleans as I go along. So, my saltfish still had a bit of salt, so yeah, I added some more vinegar. Oh, I never dash my starfish bone. Me not really mean for grossing it up, but me did have to prove to Jamaicans not really chew it well without eat it. And then look at that. Channel. Yo. Sight. The smell. The sound. Hold on there. I'm going to drain my saltfish. Of course, I take out the bones and flake it as best as possible. And when me done, I'm going to make sure. I have one sister down the yard. I call her name. She name Anita. The girl a go on like she want done me. And I like her style. When she ready, she torment me. The girl send me one wagga bag of mango. What dear. I want to come on my eye. My other sister when named Tanya. Yeah, me have a couple subscribers where she give me some want to carry back go tell her, although me go tell her myself. Tanya, you're not a nice person. When I good up, patient them come at the office and give her stuff. Yeah, this tastes nice. She ever show off. You see my niece when name Ravina, Tanya daughter. And when she go do her Sunday cook up, and splash it in my face. Yeah, this a fear. And then the one we name Chris, Anita daughter, when she go on the back part of her yard and pick her plum them and show them in my face. And the one then her, when I stop got crab bush, or in cooking fish, or in pasta, and he send me picture of mango tree and them something there. And the one Tian, yeah, that's my nephew. When Tian ready, and I go to the Jamaican store and go on with that. Oi, how are them here? Mama. Okay, hold on. I'm going to let him have to take it out. Hold on. Can't serve me dinner with bone night. That hot. That hot. Hold on. You see one next one. Oh, I love bone. Hey, gonna look on that. It nice, though. It nice, though. Alright, people. Now, turn off this and cover it up. I'm going to show you it later when it's done. I'll let you know. Well, hold on. Hey, I want to see this. No, man, watch out. I look at thing in the restaurant, me. Whoa, yo, hold on there. I'm going to wait. Oh, I never show you this. I don't know, I like recycle, don't? Yeah. I want kind of broad bean. I like reuse stuff. Jaja God. How me for the pop style pan them I have on something there pan me pumpkin. No man, this is not a good look. No. Okay. Teachable moment. What not to do when you're cooking. Alright people, guess what? I'm going to take out this out of the hold on. See if I can take it out. I wash it, no, me no dirty, me no nasty. I did wash it. But true, we normally cook pumpkin in the skin, because pumpkin are one of them things. They were very thin skinned. Now let me rinse off this. So Jamaicans don't really peel pumpkin. As me say, we want all of the nutrients. Jaja. Father God, just bless and sanctify my food, yeah? Nothing happen. Errors occur in everyday life. That is it. Alright, hold on. Where the next one? I like when I'm something here. Palm the pot. Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna finish this. And me have some laundry me need to take out of the machine. I'm supposed to dry by now. So forward. See? Ta-da! Okay, guys, this is me. I don't eat a lot, but I do eat often. Rain don't fall, pot don't cook, clothes don't wash. Girl, I go sort out some food. See you the next time. Oh, sorry. No. Oh, no, honestly, the thing gonna go get none? No. And I saw it go. Who beg? Nah get. Who no beg? Don't want. It's a Jamaican thing. Liquor more.